How's it going, everybody? This is Tim with LiveCaseBreak.com. Got a box break here for Ben. He is gonna roll with the bottom box, 1920 Upper Deck Series 2. Who are you looking for in this? Is this the one with Capo? Capo Caco's Young Guns. 6 Young Guns per box on average.
Terry, I know you said during his bullpen session on Sunday he had electric stuff, but what do you think of Steven tonight? This could be a trouble.
I mean, the first 2 innings he was very good. Last inning, he hung a slider to Kershaw, and then he made a couple pitches in the middle plate, but he's throwing all right. I mean, it's been a while since he's been out there. We got kind
So Makar and Capo. All right, buddy.
we got to get him some runs.
Can you say how much longer? How much?
Well, he's going to be
Go a couple in a row here.
the most he's thrown in the last month has been 88. So we're right there.
Oh yeah,
He can get a couple more innings.
Upper Deck opposite here. Let's try that again.
With the single, and we talked about having an 11-game postseason hitting streak tied with Carl
There's
Crawford
2.
for the franchise high, and now A.J. Ellis owns it outright. A one-out single here in the fourth.
Those really intelligent catchers who might not be great hitters.
Get the 2015 Game 4 NLDS on with Kershaw on the bump in the background tonight. Anybody would like to watch with me? It's on TDS. Or no, it's on SNY, sorry. Alright, first group, 5 packs. Let's get zoomed. Wouldn't hurt to double check with me before you place your order, guys, just to be sure website's accurate. I think it's pretty close. But again, doesn't hurt to double check. Damn. Acetate Young Guns. Andrew Peak. Or PK. Hopefully that's a decent name. Very nice. Blue Jackets. Those are tough pulls, right? It's clear cut, not acetate. I was just going to say, what's the difference there, clear cut or acetate? So Andrew Peak. Decent, Ben. And Ben, do you want all the base here set to ship to you? Or just the Young Guns and inserts? Second Young Gun, Barrett Hayton. So 2 Young Guns out already. Jimmy Howard, upstate New York guy right there. Canvas Thomas Shabbat.
The lefty. One of the great
Surfside.
boxers in baseball. When he was let go by the Brewers, I'm sure his phone rang off the hook. Good baseball guy.
JT Miller on the bottom there. All right, then. Next couple packs.
Ruggiero couldn't catch up to that 93-mile-an-hour fastball. But that's 2 down. He strikes out for the second time tonight.
Got him on the same pitch. The fastball up down.
Allen had a little cutting action and stayed in a little bit. Started out over the middle of the plate. Kind of tied him in.
And we'll go ahead and open the last 3.
Now here's Clayton Kershaw, who singled his first time, and that was the first Dodger hit. Got their rally started. He would be forced at second, but
What's up, Mr. Orlando? How goes?
3 straight hits later in that inning. They got on the board. There's a bouncer over the mound.
Alrighty, then. Next stack here. Exclusives, Jonathan Huberdeau. Starting off the night down 100, what'd you do? What did you gamble on? There's a Pierre Engvall for the Leafs, Young Guns.
What America needed us to build, we built. Masks, ventilators, shields.
Canvas, Semyon Varlamov.
4 dealers answered. And now we're open and ready to serve you. With special offers like 0% financing for 72 months across
Got
the
1
board.
order in the queue, guys. 2 orders in the queue. Chris Wells got a Finest, and Dean's got an Archives Retired. So about a 15-minute wait for anybody thinking about grabbing a box. Marquee Rookies, Carter Vetterhaig.
What's different about Vitafusion? It's the only gummy with clinically
Marquee Rookies, Carson Twinarski, and that's a blue border.
really sticks, and they're irresistibly tasty too. Vitafusion, America's #1 gummy vitamin brand.
Nick Suzuki.
Might be better.
There's a Carlson Subban checklist.
Our yard.
And a Sean Monahan. Oh, yeah. You told me about that, yep. Ah.
Our amusement.
Yeah. Well, like I said, it's $100.
Place to eat out.
You'll probably get a negative feedback if you renege on it, so it's probably not worth it.
A place we're proud of, where the effort we put in now will be repaid all season long. So let's get to the yard.
Listen up.
That pack was butchered. Oh my god, the bar next door is letting people in now again, and the cigarette smoke. Oh, it's disgusting.
Mercedes-Benz, nothing less than world-class service will do. That's why we're expanding a range of choices. Many dealers now offer optional pickup and delivery and at-home maintenance, as well as online shopping.
Ben, do you want all the base set into your ship pile, or just the inserts, rookies, and parallels? Just let me know so I can sort it while I go here. Alright, there's one stack, and there we go. Let's start here.
Have you taken a body blow at work? If so, it's good to know that
Third or fourth, I think fourth Young Guns, Sorella for the Panthers. They're really sharp looking this year.
the Lord declared Pasternak, Toker, Ziegler, Walsh, Stanton, and Romano will always fight for
There's a
you.
Capo rookie portraits.
At
Nice.
1-800-222-WISH. That's 1-800-222-WISH.
Rookies, Fajeravari. Butchered that one. Young Guns Canvas. That's a decent one.
2-3.
Two Young Gun parallels so far. You got the clear cut.
Trying to do something about
There you
it.
go.
Nothing.
Kirby Dack. Blackhawks kid.
Watch A.J. Ellis. Every hitter that comes to the plate, they always end up with a smile on their
Young Guns Otto Koivula for the Islanders. No base. Okay, that's what I thought. Just wanted to make sure. So just the good stuff. Vil Heniola, marquee rookie. Bobby Fabry.
Yeah, how you go?
Last stack, buddy. I didn't yet, Chriswell. I know you guys were going over it last night in the chat.
Force the bench in frustration is because he can't get that curveball over yet. That's the next piece of the puzzle. He gets that over, look out.
For sure. Well, that ball had some spin on it, didn't it? Seager threw him out.
In the last two.
Ball is jammed. It comes off with a little spin. Sometimes it hits the pine tar to create a little bit more spin. And it hits the dirt. Up there, takes a little tricky hop. Let's look and see if we can see it. Yeah, it goes dead right. He's in a good position. He's got his body in a good position, so when he catches it,
Okay.
step and makes a nice throw first.
Rhett Gardner for the Stars, and there's at least one more Young Guns.
He sets up early.
You
Catches
can see it peeking out. Rookie portraits, Connor Timmins. Artem Panarin. Vintage stock type card there. Canvas, Drew Doughty.
Daniel Murphy waits on the 0-1, and there's a drive. Deep right field. Puig is back. That ball's gone.
Daniel Murphy, man.
Daniel Murphy for the
Here's your last Young Guns, Giovanni Smith.
takes late.
There could be another one hiding in there. You get a Mats Zuccarello for the Wild. And the O-Pee-Chee vintage stock. And then your last two cards. There you go. Quick recap on your Young Guns and parallels, buddy. There you go. Smith, Doughty, Panarin, Gardner, Pignola, Koivula, Kirby Dack. Nice canvas Young Gun. Nice Capo portraits. Suzuki rookie. Carson, blue. Verhaeg.
Here's Cespedes.
Another Young Guns. That was out of 100 on the Huberdeau. Thomas Chabot. Barrett Hayton. And the clear-cut Young Gun is Andrew Peak for for the Blue Jackets. There you go, bud.
95 miles an hour from Kershaw.
Let me know if you need anything there. Done with that.
Looking for a ride.
And 95 right on the inside corner.
Okay, next order will be Archive 6 Series Retired. Dean, go ahead and let me know which box you want, buddy.